name is Mihlali Adams, and today I will be showing you how to use the Batiste Instant Hair Refresh Dry Shampoo. So it is dry shampoo, and I know that could scare a few people, but it is suitable for all hair types: afros, wigs, weaves, braids, cornrows, dreadlocks, everything. You name it, they're welcome. We cater for all of you. You use it in between your washes to just refresh your hair for a little bit longer, so that you don't have to wash your hair every single time. It just extends the life of whatever hairstyle it is that you're rocking at that time. I have the Batiste Instant Hair Refresh Dry Shampoo in Floral and Flirty Blush. I'm going to show you step by step how to use this product. You hold out your arm and you spritz. Run my fingers through my hair whilst I spritz the product. So this is how I do it. And then I just continue working that in. There we go. It's that quick, that simple, that easy.